Hi, I just want to give you a quick live look of this awesome electric hand mixer. It's stainless steel, egg beater, dough hook attachment, and you know what I mean, it's got storage bay compact, like to put it away if you want to, and this is pretty affordable, you know what I mean, it works, and you know what I mean, for smaller jobs I find, and these things are always handy in the kitchen when you know, if you don't need to bring out your bigger mixer or anything like this, and you want to do something right quick, I find. But I'll turn it on just for a second. Yeah, it's got a lot of power to it, but anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick live look of it, and I thought it was pretty awesome, pretty affordable, and you know, easy to clean, easy to set up. But yeah, but anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or a great evening. Thanks for watching my video review.
So let me show you some of the speeds here. Here's slow. That's not exactly slow, eh? And it goes up from there. So here's speed 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I press, now I can feel this. It's moving so fast that it has a gyroscopic feel to it. So while it's turning, I turn it like this, it actually feels like a gyroscope. Now, if I put it on the lowest speed, I guess it's not 6 speeds, it's only 5 speeds, but if I put it on the lowest speed here and then push the turbo, on the lowest speed, the turbo seems to do something a little, maybe make it a little faster. But if I go to the top speed and push the turbo on the top speed seems to slow it down just a bit, but not anywhere near slow enough to actually use it. So anyway, there you go. And the eject button, of course, ejects out the little things. There you go. Cheers.
Okay, so here's my new hand mixer that has 5 speeds. It comes with dough tools for it, and then regular mixing beaters, your mixers, and it has a little bag here for your tools also. One of the things I would probably say you should notice is that your 2 different beaters for your dough are different. Okay, you see that? One has this little circle washer kind of thing. The small one goes in the small hole, and the other one goes in the large hole. Okay, so there's your speed.
Este es de plástico súper delgadito. Se me figura que es que la que usaba mi abuelita. Más bien es para niñas, para que empiecen a hacer sus pasteles, cocinar en su casa, en sus tiempo de hobby, pero no creo que dure mucho. Un golpe pero bueno, vamos a ver cómo funciona.
Okay, so I don't know how to pronounce that name of it, but that's the hand mixer. It comes with 2 other hooks, and I believe they said that's for dough, a storage bag. And this is what it's looking like. 1 through 5 there. They have a turbo button, and I'm going to be making some brownies, so let's see how it goes. That's level 1.